And food. Oh!
There you go.
Yummy! Like that, yum yum.
Brady.
He likes
He
it.
does. He saw me shake the bag and he came over straight away. The secret.
Yummy! Yum.
This is the best day of his life, do you think? Getting all this food?
I think this is the best day of that bird's life
Yeah? Why's that?
because he loves the food.
Yeah. You want to try something
I'm
else?
pushing some more up.
That's okay, bring him down here so it doesn't come near your face.
A little bit more, that's the rest of his food.
You want to try some in your hand?
This is the best day of Tessa's life.
I'm teaching. Hold it flat like this, Piper. Bring your arm up again. Sit it up here so you can keep it straight. And bring your hand
Just
up
hold
this
the
way
fence if you want, Piper.
so it doesn't come near your face and bite your cheeks.
Do you know a lot about birds?
I do. I'm a bird maniac. You could say.